Here's my favorite fried rice with tofu recipe. Let's see how it's made. You will need cooked rice, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, salt, diced onions, garlic, sesame seeds, peas, carrots, green onion, oil, MSG, and tofu slices. First, marinate your tofu slices with salt and light soy sauce on each side. The list of ingredients and recipe will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. You can also make this recipe without tofu. Now we are going to pan fry the tofu on both sides until golden brown. Fried rice will taste better if your rice is a day old. So if you are planning to make this recipe, cook your rice a day before. Now in a wok, add oil on medium heat. Add your garlic paste. Fry it for a few seconds and add the onions. Add the carrots and cook for about 5 minutes. Once the carrots are soft, add a little bit of salt. Now add your frozen peas and cook for a few more minutes. Once the carrots are cooked, add a little bit of light soy sauce and dark soy sauce and mix everything together. Now take your veggies out. In the same wok, add a little bit of more oil and add your cooked rice. Add the remaining of soy sauce and mix everything together well. Make sure all the rice is coated well in your soy sauce. Now add your cooked veggies and mix everything together. Now add your MSG, sesame seeds, a drizzle of sesame oil, and chopped scallions. Mix everything together. And your fried rice are ready to serve. Garnish your fried rice with chopped scallions or green onions. Sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds. You can serve your fried rice like this or add tofu as your protein. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.